Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can a simple automation which watches a subreddit for mentions of a keyword or brand, so you could just watch them for your brand and then add them to a Google Sheets. So yeah, I have opened the Antichromat subreddit, just one of many subreddits on Reddit, and I'm just going to show you how this automation works. So I click on run once, we can see things are happening. And if we now go into our Notion data or our Google Sheets database, we see one post got posted into our Google Sheets database. So how does it work? So first of all, we have the list comments in a subreddit module by Reddit in make.com. And as we can see here, we have as output 5 bundles. But in the end, we're only adding one bundle to all Google Sheets. This is because we added a filter. So let's start. You enter here in subreddit, just the subreddit with whatever subreddit you want to watch. You can choose in which you want to sort them. So in our case, we use new and the limit is 5. So it will check the first 5 newest post to the subreddit, and then it will stop. So you also can add like 100 here whatsoever. And then this filter checks, if you click on the filter, whether in the body, which is the text, the body in the subreddit, in the post someone made, contains make. So we're just looking for make, make the automation tool. Did anyone use the word make? And as we can see here, 4 out of 5 did not mention the word make. This is why they all did not get transferred, and only one mentioned the word make. And this one is added to our Google Sheets by quite simple adding a row. And as we can see here, if we go into this post and check it up, so we see the word make is used quite often. So yeah, makes total sense to give us this one. Yeah. So I hope this automation gives you a bit of an idea what you can do with make.com and how you can build your own engine to watch what people are posting on a subreddit. If you're interested in a more detailed version, also in more knowledge and insights into building marketing automations with make.com, check out our Patreon. I put the link down below in the video description. Thank you so much. Bye.